Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronke and today I'm reviewing the Moon Palace Resort in Ochos Rios, Jamaica. Starting off with our complimentary glass of champagne, which was delicious. This hotel has a lot of enhanced COVID measures that they are taking. They are disinfecting all bags that come through. They are frequently sanitizing guest hands and surfaces. So I would definitely say this is a COVID compliant place if you are looking for somewhere to travel to during this time. So the hotel does have a set of suites that are separate for folks who are either VIP or some sort of membership level. A lot of these either come with very nice balcony views or hammocks. The regular guest rooms are all pretty much within the towers, and the regular guest rooms, some of them also do come with balcony views, but I think the rooms were pretty nice, whether it was a general room or a VIP room. I'm going to start with the tour of the space that we were staying in. We stayed in an ocean view guest bedroom. This is the view from our room. The balcony didn't really extend that much though. Then this is a view of our bathroom. They had a sliding door for the toilet so that could kind of be separated from the rest of the bathroom, if you will. Now, of course, we got to get right into food, being that this is an all-inclusive resort. So this is the main dining hall for the resort, and they had indoor and outdoor seating. A lot of food places to choose from within this dining hall, whether you wanted local cuisine or international cuisine or sandwiches or whatever the case might be. They also had a pretty well-stocked dessert station, which I got a couple of desserts from. So this is Momo. This is one of the hotel's restaurants. It is a hibachi style restaurant, but you can also do sit down, regular ordering as well. The hibachi show was pretty good and the food was great. Reservations are preferred for this location. La Gondola is another restaurant within the hotel. This one serves Italian style cuisine. And I thought the interior was pretty okay. The food was good, which is what matters the most. And they do have their own wine storage behind the reservation desk. Then we are going to La Boulangerie. This is a pastry shop within the hotel. They have a lot of pastry goodies, sandwiches. They have a crepe station, just a lot for you on the go. Then we have Piano Bar. Piano Bar is an evening late night location. They have live music at times with someone either playing or singing and a lot of drinks. It was a very nice environment to be in. They also do have some other food places like a pizza place, panini place, and a sushi place. Now, Jerk Hut. Jerk Hut is one of the outdoor eateries and the food there is bomb.com. They also have Pier 8. I actually did not stop by Pier 8 to eat, y'all, but it's an outdoor seated place, and I think they probably serve mostly seafood and some other things, but this was open for lunch and dinner. Next up, we have a snack bar. They did have a couple of these outdoor eateries placed all throughout the outdoors. Now, welcome to the spa. The All Spa is a very nice spa within the resort. You can either book directly at the planning desk within the hotel lobby, or you can book through the app, which I'll show a little bit later. So within the spa, there are a lot of different rooms or sections that you could go to for different treatments. Some of them were closed just because of COVID, but I thought it was nice that the resort did have them available. The hotel also offers hydrotherapy with these pools. The pool on the left is a warm pool. The middle one is a room temperature one, and the one on the right is a very cold pool that we barely could stay in. The middle pool also does have some jets available. So Noir is the nightclub at the resort. Then we also stopped by one of the outdoor entertainment areas. This is the main stage. The resort also had a game lounge. It's called Wired Lounge, and I think this might have been for children only or children mostly. It was mostly children when I looked inside. I did not come to game lounge at all. So speaking of entertainment, the resort also has an office that you can go to for catamaran excursions. We didn't really do that. And then they also have a dolphin cove. Now, I do want to just clarify that this is not the dolphin cove that you probably think of whenever you hear Ochos Rios, but we did get to see a few of the dolphins swimming in the water. They also, of course, have some water slides, outdoor areas for kids to play. And a very, very nice lot for a sand volleyball game or soccer game. Overall, we did enjoy the resort. I thought it was very nice. Unfortunately, the weather was a bit overcast, so we did not get a lot of time outside per se to enjoy all the different pools and activities. But I did manage to, at least on one of the mornings, grab enough footage to at least show you all what there was. I thought the resort was nice once again, and I would definitely recommend it for anyone looking to go to Ochos Rios. All right, y'all, so before we wrap up this video, I wanted to walk through the app with you really quick. The resort has an app. You don't have to log in or have an account, but it is useful for navigating through things. They have all the different hotels within their portfolio listed, as well as all the different destinations that they have hotels within. So starting off with the spa, you can actually select your spa treatment here and book it through the app, which is super convenient. Then you can also find activities to do, whether it's an evening program or something else. And then within the app, you can also find all the eateries. So this shows you every single place associated with the resort that you can eat at. And for some of them, it also shows their menu, their dress code, all of those different things. Then for room service, you would of course make sure you've selected the resort. And then you can scroll through the menus based on what time of day it is for the food you're trying to get. For concierge services, you would just make sure that your resort is selected once again, and then you're able to choose what you need, whether it's for the bathroom or the bedroom. Finally, the hotel does have a map in their app. That's all I have for today. Please make sure to like this video, share with others, and subscribe to my channel for more travel and career content. Thank you.